All of the taps in the Aquataps range provide instant cold filtered still water, with the 5-in-1 Aquatap Fizz providing filtered carbonated water also. Filtered water does not only remove contaminants and debris, it will make your water taste better. We recommend you change your filter every 6 months or 2,000 litres of water to ensure your Aquatap continues to work efficiently. New filters can be purchased from us directly on our website www.aquataps.co.uk as and when you require. Or why not set up our discounted filter subscription to have filters automatically sent to your home. This is the perfect addition to your Aquatap. Changing your filter is very easy. The first step is to ensure the water has been turned off. Then unscrew the circular part of the filter housing. Take the old filter out and replace it with a new filter. Please be aware that some water will come out of the housing when you do this, so have a bowl and towel handy to avoid any damage from the water. Then screw the filter housing back into place. And there you have it, a new filter installed and ready to use.